Yeah, thank you very much. We are the last to present. Maybe we have some advantages. My name is Jitin Bhasin. I'm the founder of SaveIN, and with me I have my colleague Gaurav, who's the CTO. I'm the CEO of the company. And at SaveIN, we make private healthcare accessible and affordable. Now, I'll tell you what we mean by that. In India, private healthcare is a very painful topic. Anybody who has had to avail private care, chances are you would pay out of pocket, especially if you're not hospitalized. So 90% of private healthcare expenses are borne out of pocket. Less than 10% of India has coverage by the means of hospitalization insurance. And on top of this, medical inflation in India is generally 2 times nominal inflation. Currently, it is 15%, which means treatments that you avail today are going to be 15% more expensive the next year. And chances are all of us are paying out of pocket. So we at SaveIN are disrupting this entire business. Now think of this, right? Data tells us that less than 2% of India gets hospitalized in a calendar year. But if you look at all these domains, dental, dermatology, hair, hearing aids, ophthalmology, Ayurveda, homeopathy, fitness memberships, including people who go to the gym, IVF procedures, cosmetic surgeries, these are much more frequent. You do not need to be hospitalized, and hence none of them are covered by any form of insurance. Put together, all these constitute more than 10 billion, almost actually 15 billion in market size as things stand today, and all of them are becoming expensive by 15% annually. And 100% payments are out of pocket. Now, what if there was a solution that you could avail timely healthcare without breaking the bank? And that is exactly what SaveIN is. We are India's number one no-cost EMI player. The no-cost EMI that you've seen on Apple advertisements, which means that you can get healthcare and not pay any interest on it. We are India's number one no-cost EMI player in private care. More than 7,000 healthcare facilities across India have SaveIN QR codes. You can simply enter the practice of your choice, scan the QR code, we assess you digitally. In less than 180 seconds, you are allocated a credit limit, and using that credit limit, you could avail the treatment of your choice without any down payment. So zero down payment, you can go walk into a dental clinic. They may tell you you have to spend 1.2 lakh rupees. You can pay zero, get that 1.2 lakh treatment, and pay 10,000 into 12. At 0% interest, you get your treatment done. So we are revolutionizing how Indians prioritize their health. And after COVID, there is an enormous focus on being healthy. Wellness is top of the mind for everybody. Now, this is what we have done. As I said, we call this care now, pay later. All marquee brands in outpatient healthcare, we do not operate in hospitalization business, but all top-rated brands in outpatient healthcare in the domains that I mentioned, almost all of them work with us. And we have built this network from the ground up since 2022. So we are going to be finishing 4 years of our operations in January, upcoming 26. In 4 years, we have built India's largest outpatient network of no-cost EMIs, and this is the network that people can access. Now, next question, logical question is, where do we get the money? Because this is a very large market, where do we get the money? So we have 3 ways in which we get money. One, more than 5 crore bank pre-approved customers are deep integrated onto the SaveIN platform. India's top 2 private lenders, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, we've been working with them for more than 2.5 years now, and also IDFC First Bank. Put together, more than 5 crore customers are bank approved. No KYC, single OTP, and KFS, key fact statement for a loan, and you get the money. It's equivalent to almost doing a UPI transaction. Next is more than 15 credit cards are deep integrated onto the SaveIN platform. Instead of paying in full on the 30th or the 40th day, depending upon your cycle, if you were to use your credit card on SaveIN, you can pay for your healthcare in no-cost EMIs for up to 12 months. Third, we have multiple NBFC partners who allow us to cover new-to-bank customers or NTC customers if the bank is not willing to cover them. And we have several partners. Put together, all these 3 lines of supply of money allow us to offer 2x the nominal approval rate as compared to other traditional lenders who've operated in this business. Somebody as big and respectable as Bajaj has been working in this business, but we have displaced them in many places that we've entered because we have 3 ways of money and they possibly work only on the last layer. It's much faster. The process takes 180 seconds. It is 24 cross 7. There is zero paperwork because we work as per digital compliance standards. Next, if you see numbers, right? Every business should be measured by numbers. We launched in the year 2022. We have grown 17 times in 4 years. From the network that we have built, we have not spent a single dollar in marketing till date. We've got more than 7 lakh customers. So it's like, how do we get customers? You walk into our partner and they sell us because they get a lift in their sales. A dental practice, an IVF practice can sell 30%, 40% more if they offer us. So more than 7 lakh customers have used us, more than 4,000 crore in incoming demand. Currently, we're run rating at about 600 crores annually. We have more than doubled in the last 1 year. We will triple this year. So we are growing very quickly. We have been unit economics positive for the last 2 years, and our NPAs are less than 2%. Like credit card NPAs in the country are about 4.5%. We operate at less than 2%. How? Because we've built proprietary algorithms to not only underwrite the customer differently, but we also underwrite the medical practices when we onboard them. So we are very focused on onboarding the right practices. Next up, after having done this for healthcare, and we've done this for almost 4 years in healthcare, our stack is world-class. We are now expanding into other high-ticket domains. So we are focused on becoming the platform of choice for the discerning Indian to fuel and enable their ambition. Because our average ticket size is very unlike a classical buy now, pay later product. We are not a 1 month product. Our average tenure is about 9 to 10 months today. So we are focused on enabling Indians to buy expensive products, including travel. We have just gone live with SOTC today, which is one of India's largest holiday aggregators, insurance, premium financing, lifestyle, home improvement. So this is what we will do. It will make us 100x bigger in the next 3 years. As a team, me and Gaurav are here. We have raised more than $12 million. We are invested into by top-rated investors. Y Combinator has backed us, plus other European and US-based investors have backed us. And we are growing quite fast. This is who we are. This is SaveIN. And we want to power better experiences, lifestyle, and health. That's us. Thank you.